Welcome to another episode of Snave TV. Today we're working on these Formica countertops. They're pretty busted up. Had to do a lot of bondo work. Bondo. There's even a hammer there for some reason. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the show, so stay tuned. And these are some of the tools that I'll be using throughout the day. I'll make a list in the description below of everything that I used. As you see, you can tell just how big that was. So now we're going to fill those in with bondo and fiberglass, or fiberglass and then bondo. And do the same over here. Let's get it. Now when you mix your glass, you're going to want to use some of this blue stuff. And you don't want to go overboard because it'll make it hot. That means that it'll just dry way too quick and it won't be malleable for use. So what we got here right now is a homeowner wants to install a new sink. We're going with an undermount, but we pulled the sink out and the cutout's really large. So what I'm going to do, now there's people that would probably tackle this differently. I don't install sinks, but the owner's wanting to. He's like, hey man, let's do this together. So he's outside chilling. But what we got here, some cutouts. We're gonna try to shrink this up. Use fiberglass to give it nice strength. I'm gonna raise this up, glue it, use bullhead so it has slopes into the sink. Hopefully it turns out all right. And always remember, you want to get this adhesion promoter on everything. Wipe it twice if you have to. Alright, we got it all messed up. We're all prepped. We got the adhesion promoter on. Cut out the sink. Bondo. Let's do this. And if you're curious how I put that sink in there, man, that thing was a headache. I had to use a Sawzall, cut off the front of it, used a grinder to grind away some of it, sanders to sand stuff down, nail guns. Oh man, it was a mess, but I got it. And now we're putting the color on. This is night spots over black. This is gonna make it look like a starry night. Ooh, we all love those. Now I'm just waiting for it to dry. See how it's blue? That means it's still wet. When that turns all black, it'll be good to go. Alright, looks like we're pretty dry, so we're gonna get ready to start putting on the clear coat. Now when you apply your clear, you want to go 50-50 over each pass. So every pass you do, just go back, do half of it, and then boom, look at that. You're gonna have a nice solid coating, so long as you know you got the technique down. Practice makes perfect. And if you want to learn this, you can like get a dumpy old table or something, just refinish it, you know, get your hands wet for you know, diving in. And if this is something that piques your interest, you could definitely start a business doing this. Mind you, there is a lot of people that do this type of work, and so that means the work's a little oversaturated, at least in my area. Made a really rough start for me. So this is it. This is the result. Finished product, baby. It's looking good. She does need a sand and polish, but that's pretty common. You know, turning everything into a paint booth. It's real dusty in there, so hell yeah, look at that. Anyways, I gotta thank you guys. I'm up to 56 subscribers now, and this is one heck of a journey. I'm looking forward to the future, and you know, if I can get enough subscribers and make that YouTube money, I'm gonna take this on the road and I want to fix your guys' homes. I want the dumpiest countertops. I want the nasty showers. Give me it. Give me it. Like and subscribe.